Well, we've seen the ads on television for Carvana. The new e-commerce platform is buying and selling cars, and they're now opening up a car vending machine in Novi. The 8-story structure is near I-96 and Novi Road. It holds 27 vehicles. Carvana spokesperson Amy O'Hare explains the customer experience.
They'll arrive on site, they will be greeted by one of our customer advocates, they'll be given one of our fun, unique commemorative coins to activate the vending process, and then they'll get to see their vehicle. They'll descend from the tower down into one of our delivery bays where they'll get to do a quick walk around, sign off on some last paperwork.
This is the first car vending machine opening by Carvana in the state of Michigan and the 25th in the U.S.